451 Degrees brings you its software as a service called Graffiti. Graffiti creates cash and values from your comments in real time. This is the future of advertising and search engine marketing. If you have content, do search engine optimization, search engine marketing, or any type of ad delivery network, then Graffiti can deliver better results. There are millions of pieces of content uploaded to the web every day. Different types of files, articles, images, videos, and music files. Today, content is more and more social. Well, there are more comments and reviews being attached to all types of content. Our SaaS can use all these comments from all these sources to better define organic meanings and values. These comments are brought by the users of the content, the bees. Bees pollinate the content with their words. If that value is not used in real time, then the true value of it is lost. Let's turn this big data into cash for you with simple API attachments that allow for dynamic results. We create a hive on your site that gives value to these bees in real time. This hive is a constant source of new organic, relevant, native metadata for ad delivery, SEO, and SEM in real time. We read it all using artificial intelligence and machine learning. We understand relevance based upon linguistics and intended meanings. The hive gets smarter and stronger with each word it reads from each bee. The people engaging with content best define it and pollinate it. Let's take a look at an article from the San Diego Union Tribune. It was about the untimely death of an NFL Charger named Junior Seau. The community of bees were commenting about this, adding facts and insights that were not in the story. Graffiti was reading them in real time and making sense, validation, and use of them. This all takes place inside of our SaaS machines, your hive. We create new metadata or honeycomb that fills the relevancy of each piece of content. We do this in a dynamic and real-time environment. Thus, it's a natural flow of big data being processed between the content owner, the advertisers looking for relevant and useful places to advertise, and the search engines for new terms related to the truth behind any article, image, video, or music file. In this one story, we identified over 150 new relevant keywords that were not part of the story when it was published. We are able to push these new terms to your ad delivery network immediately. New inventory attracts more buyers, drives competition, and revenue up. We create new honeycomb inventory that fits to an entire new set of advertisers that can find content they would have never seen or known existed, all in real time. When the bees are working, we're making new honey for the content. Inside the Junior Seau story, the ad keyword metadata and tag focus would have been news story, NFL, sports, San Diego Chargers football, 5 terms to sell against, but in reality, it was about much more. These subjects changed and often, but there was different relevance throughout the life of the story. It grew into the following relevant themes. All of this will drive the market values up. More companies fighting to match to relevant stories they never saw before. Higher values to your CPMs and CPCs, and more money means more revenue. Without Graffiti, these comments would have never been discovered or made useful. Comments become an organic, powerful source of real-time revenues for you. This is the future of advertising and search engine marketing. Let's create new relevant native advertising inventory alongside comments, boosting new inventory values and current ad space within your site. We make your crowd important and useful in order to bring better advertising, product placement, and search relevance, all in real time. All of this big data around your community and content, your hive, creates new relevant ad placement below the fold, found revenue. Real-time relevance brings greater cost per click and cost per thousand values. These new organic SEO terms based on crowd relevance will mean more page views can be expected. Real-time relevance through comments. This is all organic and useful. It also creates new related content opportunities based on the comments. We bring big data discovery to your product through community. Our SaaS organic forms more relevant and useful content matter for discovery. All of this begins when we start with that first piece of your content. Let our SaaS make the community of bees, the users of the content, work for you. It's time to use big data to create better ad technology for your revenue. Our SaaS allows you to create more relevant content around your current inventory. Keep people inside your garden. Use your community to deliver what they crave. Let's get started with making your comments create cash for you.